Java 25. Java 25 was released in September 2025 and is a LTS long-term support release, just like Java 17 and Java 21. It is important because it includes several features that had been previewed in earlier Java versions and some significant JVM API improvements. First, understand the JVM LTS timeline. Java 8 released in 2014, Java 11 2018, Java 17 2021, Java 21 2023, Java 25 2025. First feature is scoped values. One of the important Java 25 feature is scoped values. They provide a way to share immutable data across method calls and threads without using thread local. Traditional thread local string users, new thread locals, user.set James, process request. The problem with thread locals become more significant when working with large number of threads, especially virtual threads. Scoped values, static final scoped value string user scoped value dot new instance, scoped value where user James run process request, static void process request system dot out println user dot get, and output is James. Why it is useful? Scoped values are immutable, available only within a defined scope, easier to reason about, suitable for concurrent applications, particularly useful with virtual threads. Scoped values provide a safe and efficient mechanism for sharing immutable contextual data across methods and threads within a bounded scope, and they are especially useful with virtual threads. Structured concurrency, second feature. Structured concurrency makes concurrent tasks easier to manage. Instead of creating independent threads and manually coordinating them, related tasks are treated as one unit of work. Example, try where scope equals to structured task scope dot open, where user equals to scope dot fork get user, where orders scope dot fork get orders, scope dot join system dot out dot println user dot get system dot out dot println orders dot get. Here two tasks execute concurrently. Request get users, get orders, response, and if one task fails, the overall operations can be handled as a single unit. Why useful in microservices? Imagine your API needs get customer dashboard. You need customer service, order service, payment service. Instead of calling them sequentially, customer, order, payment, you can execute them concurrently. Dashboard, customer, order, payment. This can reduce latency. Compact source files. Third feature. Java 25 continuous Java's effort to make small program easier to write. Traditionally, public class main, public static void main string args, system.out.println hello world, which is a traditional approach. Modern Java allows a much simpler style void main system.out.println hello world. This is especially useful for beginners, small programs, educational examples, and scripting like Java code. The goal is to reduce unnecessary boilerplate. Fourth feature is flexible constructor bodies. Java 25 improves constructor flexibility. Previously, a constructor generally had to invoke super before executing other statements. Modern Java allows a statement to execute before the superclass constructor invocation within defined restrictions. Conceptually, child extend parents. Child int value. If value is less than 0, throw new illegal argument exception super value. This makes constructor validation and initialization more flexible. Why useful? It allows you to validate or prepare constructor arguments before invoking the parent constructor. Fifth is primitive type in patterns. Java has been expanding pattern matching. Modern Java allows pattern matching to work more naturally with primitive types. For example, concepts around pattern can distinguish with primitive value without requiring unnecessary boxing. This is part of Java's larger evolution towards traditional Java instance of pattern matching, switch patterns, more expressive type handling. Sixth is stream gatherers. This is important stream API enhancement. Java Stream traditionally provide operations like map, filter, reduce, collect. Java 25 includes stream gatherers, which allow developers to create more sophisticated intermediate stream operations. Example conceptually, stream.gather. A gatherer can perform operations that are difficult to express using ordinary map and filter. For example, custom processing such as input, group values, window values, transform, output. Why important? Before gatherers, developers often had to write custom collectors, maintain mutable state, create complicated stream pipeline. Gatherers make custom stream transformation more expressive. Seventh is ahead of time class loading and linking. Java 25 improves AOT, ahead of time class loading and linking. Normally, when a Java application starts, JVM needs to start JVM, load classes, verify, link, initialize, run application. AOT technique can prepare some of this work ahead of time. Benefit mainly faster startup, better startup consistency, useful for cloud application, useful for serverless applications, potentially lower startup overhead. This is particularly relevant for Spring Boot applications running in containers. Eighth is compact object headers. Java 25 includes improvements around object headers. Every Java object has JVM metadata associated with it. Traditionally, Java object header instance data. Reducing object header size can reduce memory consumption. This matters especially when application have billions of objects. For example, large Java application, millions of objects, smaller object headers, lower memory usage. This can improve memory efficiency and potentially cache behavior. 9 changes generational Shenandoah. Java's Shenandoah garbage collector has evolved with generational support. Instead of treating all objects equally, heap young objects, old objects. Objects that survive longer can be moved into the old generation. The idea is similar to generational garbage collection used by other collectors. New object, young generation survive old generation. Why? Most objects in Java applications are short-lived. For example, order, new order. The object may only exist for a very short period. Generational GC can therefore focus collection efforts where it is most useful. 10th is JetGC improvements. Java 25 also continues improvement to JetGC, Java's low latency garbage collector. JetGC is designed for applications where pause time needs to remain very small. Traditional GC can produce application GC pause. JetGC aims for extremely short pause while handling large heaps. This is useful for high throughput backed systems, large memory applications, low latency services, financial systems, cloud applications. Key Java 25 features to remember. So the features are scoped values and their purpose is share immutable contextual data. Structured concurrency, manage concurrent tasks as one unit. Compact source files, reduce boilerplate code for simple programs. Flexible constructor bodies, more flexibility before super. Primitive patterns, better pattern matching with primitives. Stream gatherers, custom stream transformations. AOT class loading and linking, faster startup. Compact object headers reduce memory overhead. Generational Shenandoah more efficient GC. JetGC improvement low latency garbage collection. We have improvements from Java 8. From Java 8 is like Lambda, then stream, that functional interface is optional. In Java 9 we have module systems and JShell, and in Java 10 we have where keyword, and in Java 11 we have HTTP client string enhancements. Then Java 14 to 17 we have records, pattern matching and sealed classes. Then Java 21 we have virtual threads, record patterns, pattern matching for switch and sequence collection. Then in Java 25 we have scoped values, structured concurrency, stream gatherers, compact source files, flexible constructor bodies, compact object headers, GC, JVM improvements. Not every Java 25 features is necessarily a brand new permanent feature. Some are previews, incubator features, while others are finalized. So this is all from Java 25. Thanks for watching.